Good morning, guys. Today I actually have things to do. As you can see here, this is a palette that I just had to bring inside. My mom plans to paint it for Christmas, I assume. I don't know anything about it. Our lights have fallen slightly, so they're a bit more low. Our poor snowman took a gash to the face. He's bleeding orange. I have Christmas gifts I need to deliver so that they can be wrapped for the correct person. I need to fold and put away towels, wash and hang up clothes, let Rhea be out. She's just chilling, scratching right now. Arrange dishes so that I can wash tonight. That's for my mother. I need to arrange them so that she can actually get to the sink so that she can wash. And then go through clothes in your room. Carly might like some of them. Apparently there's clothes in my room that Carly might like that I need to go through. So that's the plan for today. But I'm also adding to it for myself. Clean room, because it's starting to get messy again. And what else? I had something else. Clean room and take a shower. Take a shower was the other thing, because I need a shower. Alright, so let's get started on it. Hey guys, I'm back. I've done all my things. I thought it best to just not show you because it's pretty boring. You can hear though, little Rhea is nibbling her food. Poor Rhea's losing hair, but we're working on it. We got some stuff for her hair to come back. We've also, these are the brownies from yesterday. They're almost all gone. Everyone likes them. We also have some stuff to make some foods for Christmas Day. We have almond bark. I can't remember what this is for. Rolos to make turtles. Hey, Rhea. Sniff, sniff. This barbecue sauce and we don't have it yet, but jelly and these sausages, there's another one back there, are to make like little sausage things, but you put jelly and barbecue sauce together and then you let the sausages like marinate in them for a few hours and it's like awesome. Pecans for turtles again. I'm trying to think, we need chocolate for that, but we already have chocolate. I think the Oreos are just to eat, I'm not sure. Pretzels, and those are from a long time ago, little cantina chips. You have cheese too for something else. Ice cream to make this type of. It's in a fashion of a punch because you have it served in like a punch bowl with a ladle and little cups, but it's not a punch because it's ice cream and milk. But we have vanilla ice cream. There's coffee ice cream back in there. Okay, please don't fall. There's coffee ice cream in there. And then there's, here it is, chocolate milk. You mix all that together, get it real nice and cold, and you drink it out of punch glasses, and it's awesome. It's amazingly good. So that's what we bought, that's what we have for now, and I'm gonna come back to you later. I didn't even mention that we got one of these popcorn tins for the snowman and a tree on it. A little snow puppy. Yeah, he's cute. There's popcorn in there. We're not opening it till Christmas. Rhea, don't stand on the table. Get down off the table. Don't stand on the table. Go down on the floor where you belong. Why are you still standing on the table when I told you to get down? You're standing there, but you're just looking at me like I am a clown. You're here now, stay now with me, right with me. I see you, I love you, I want you to stay with me. Rhea, bite your butt, But you're not supposed to bite, cause it's bad for you. Bite your butt! Ah, that's a crack. Bite your butt. Why won't you stop biting your butt? Why would you lick my hand? I give you my all. Why would you lick my hand? She's so scared of me right now.
Tonight I dreamt of a beautiful walk on a sandy beach. At least that explains the footprints I found in the cat litter box.
Hello, isn't me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.
I'm trying to...
Hello. Good morning, folks. Today is a clean day. All those are going to be good and clean. I need to hang up clothes, and I also get to bake / cook something else. So that'll be fun. And I'm not gonna dress up for a character this time, but it's just gonna be super chill, super calm day of baking. But I'm gonna make this all nice first before we bake everything. My mom made these buttered salted pecans with little turtles down here. There's milk chocolate and white chocolate. We had pancakes this morning. My dad got some stuff from work. These cheese straws. I mean, they're really, really good, but they're really peppery also, so it's like it sticks in your throat and you're just like, and here are lemon cookies, as you can see. Brownies are almost gone. What else? What else? What else? The Oreos have been crushed to make Oreo balls. What else is there that you don't know about? I think that's it for right this second. I think I've updated you on everything that's been done that you don't know about, so I'll get back to you in a bit. Ham, please. You can just set that down. Spray it lightly. I didn't think about that.
Ooh.
I didn't think about the spray. Thank you.
Rub the chicken.
You okay? What? What?
Rub it.
Rub it.
Rub the chicken.
Rub it real good. There's so much like seasoning on one spot.
Because they were stacked, goober. Oh.
Rub it. We get to third this chicken. We'll third the small one because Mama's not eating.
What?
Mama ate already.
Oh, what'd she eat?
She went to Big Mike's.
Bruh.
She had a thing tonight. for work.
What?
Look good.
Good looking chicken.
Hey, good looking. Hello, folks. I'm done with my food. Oh wow, that's great hair. Wonderful food, eh? On plastic plates. Yummy.